Viewers, welcome to ICTube. Today I'll inform you about few device which is newly launched by Microsoft. What is Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, Surface Pro 7, Surface Pro X, and their upcoming device Surface Neo and Surface Duo. So let's move on. Viewers, welcome back. Now coming to the main point, the Surface Laptop 3 and Surface Laptop Pro 7 and Pro X are available for pre-order few selected markets, and the Surface Neo and Duo are dual skin devices that will be available in market after 2020 holidays period. Now coming to the first laptop 3, it's containing a 13-inch version and 15-inch also, and the price of 13-inch is starting from $999, and the 15 version starting with $1,199. It's having a great feature which is fast charging and achieving 80% charge within an hour, and it has a larger trackpad and USB-A and USB-C also, and Microsoft tried to improve its camera and speaker also, and they have used omnisonic speakers and dual far-field studio microphone. And now coming to the Surface Pro 7. Surface Pro 7 also a daily use laptop, and the Surface Pro 7 has a great processor which is 10th generation Intel Core processor, and which is also USB-C and USB-A port, and its great feature is battery with world life, and price start from $749. Now let's move on to the Surface Pro X. It has a 4K UHD, 4K ultra high definition screen, and with have 80 flops graphics processing power and 13-inch H2S display. It means that borderless, and its thickness is 5.3 mm and the weight is 1.68 pounds. And the Surface Pro X use the Qualcomm Microsoft SKU1 chipset, and they have mixed the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor with their intelligence accelerator. The Surface Pro X integrated artificial intelligence with their Qualcomm processor, and they have mixed the piece of silicon also. Viewers, now coming to the next upcoming device, which is Surface Neo. Mainly Surface Neo is left-handed skin during launch, and there have been options to drag with a finger to expand both the screen. And Surface Neo using 11th generation Intel Lakefield processor, and it will also help for ecosystem and ensuring support for the dual screen Intel feature and split screen devices. The display size is 9 inches, and it having a attachable keyboard on the skull back, and with the operating system for Windows 10X. Actually, it will be very much compatible for the users. And now going to the Surface Duo. Surface Duo has like mobile options with no mistakes there, and its display is 5.6 inches, and this display can be arranged in various combination. Surface Pro Duo also running options of operating system Android apps, because the Microsoft and the Google made their partnership again. They have used two options for Microsoft operating systems and for Android operating system also. So that's all for new device of Microsoft. Thank you very much.